Proxy Universe has added private mobile proxies. In this video, I'll show the complete process: choosing a plan, purchasing the proxy, connecting it in Firefox, checking the mobile network, and changing the IP address. First, open the Proxy Universe catalog and select the Mobile Proxies category. For this test, I'm choosing Latvia, the SOCKS5 protocol, one mobile IP, and a one-day rental period. The final price for this configuration is $8.70. The exact price can vary depending on the selected country and rental period. After payment, the proxy appears automatically in the customer panel. The order page displays the selected mobile operator, the remaining rental time, and all connection details required to use the proxy. The proxy can be copied with a single click. Now, let's connect it through the Proxy Universe extension for Firefox. Open the extension settings and paste the proxy connection string. The extension automatically detects the host, port, username, password, and protocol, so there is no need to enter every field manually. Give the profile a name, save it, and return to the main extension window. Click Connect, and the selected mobile proxy becomes active. There is no need to change the Firefox network settings manually. The extension shows the current IP address, location, connection status, and response time. Now, let's verify the result using an independent IP checking service. The first IP address is located in Riga, Latvia. The detected provider is Byte Latvia, and the connection is identified as a mobile carrier network. This confirms that the selected country and mobile operator match the order. Now, let's test one of the most useful features: manual IP rotation. Return to the Proxy Universe customer panel and press the Change IP button. For this particular plan, the mobile IP address can be changed once per minute. The Firefox profile and proxy credentials remain the same, so there is no need to create another profile or enter the connection details again. After the new address is assigned, reconnect the extension and check the IP one more time. The connection is still located in Riga, Latvia, and the provider is still BITE, but the IP address has changed. So, the full process is simple. Choose a mobile proxy, complete the purchase, copy it into the Firefox extension, connect, verify the mobile network, and rotate the IP whenever needed. Private mobile proxies are now available through Proxy Universe.